Hello friends, welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to split text in Excel. So this is my employee info. I'd like to get result, employee name and employee code in separate column with splitting. So select the employee info and click on data, click on text to column and then click on delimited. Now click on next. Okay, select the others and then write fast break. I will separate this text with fast break. Okay, now it's separated. Click on next. Yes, now set destination. This is in A column. Now I would like to get the result in C and D column. C column employee name and E column employee code. So I just select C, so it will fetch the data with splitting the employee info to employee name and employee code. Employee info, employee name in C column and then employee code in D column. This is code. Okay, now you can see there are the closing bracket available in the code column, so remove the closing bracket. Just find and replace. Yes, replace with blank. As it's done. Now in the code column you can see the character and number is in same column code. Now I would like to split the number from this code. Now to do it, just split the code column. In that case, first of all I'm gonna add one more cell, then select the code column, D column, and then I will split in the same way. I will split the code with the hyphen. Now for the hyphen, see that code character is in different column and code number is in separate column. Okay, it's done. Now for the destination column is E, so finish. Click on finish. Yes, you can see in the E column the code character is in E column and the number, employee code number, is in the separate column, F column. Okay, I hope you understand it well, how to split the text in Excel with the specific number character or alphanumeric character.